Mexico. With the skyscraper boom now emerging, with plenty of feats to amaze us and inspire budding engineers in the years to come. The Mitikah Tower is a mixed-use office and residential tower. It's the tallest building in Mexico City at 267.3 meters tall with 68 floors. The building was begun in 2008 and with some interruptions continued through completion in mid-2021. Mitika, in Spanish, a homonym of Mitika, means mythical, is a mixed-use complex with Mexico City's tallest skyscraper in the Benito Jaurez borough of southern Mexico City across the Circuito Interior Inner Ring Road from Coyoacán. It opened on 23rd September 2022. The tower was integrated with neighboring properties into a mixed-use residential, office, retail, and medical complex at around 1 million square meters, the largest in Latin America. Its completion was initially planned for 2015. However, financial and permits issues stopped construction in 2014, and in 2015, Fibra Uno took over the project, aiming to restart construction in early 2016. In 2016, the Mitikah skyscraper project was expanded into a complex to integrate with the neighboring Centro Bancomo and Centro Coyoacán Mall. As of mid-2022, the expectation is for the mall part of the complex to contain 258 commercial spaces totaling 120,000 square meters over 5 levels. Major anchors and brands present are to include Cinépolis, Multi-Cinemas, Palacio de Hierro and Liverpool department stores, H&M, Victoria's Secret, Abercrombie, Hollister, Berger, Montblanc, Hugo Boss, All Saint restaurants are to include branches of Mexico City chains Puerto Madero Steakhouse, Negroni, Fisher Seafood, Mocomas, Hotaru, and Cheesecake Factory. The upscale Palacio de Hierro at the adjacent Centro Coyoacán Mall will open a new store at Mitikah, and the Centro Coyoacán Mall will be demolished in order to build a new phase of Mitikah. Today, the tower dominates San Sebastian, Choco, one of the original settlements of Benito Jaurez. That statement alone begins to describe the controversy over the tower project. It was designed by the Pelli Clarke Architecture Studios. The same firm designed the Torre Libertad, St. Regis Hotel and Residence, and the Polanco Torres Gemelas, also in Mexico City. They are likely most famous for the twin Petronas Tower in Kuala Lumpur. Today, Mitikah Tower complex includes a retail area. It is sometimes called the biggest shopping center in Mexico City. Arranged onto 5 floors, it includes 280 separate retail spaces. Whether it's reaching the projected 50 to 60,000 visitors a day has yet to be seen, as the complex is still quite new. Convenient to Metro Coyoacán, the complex is often a stop on the walking trip south to the Coyoacán center. Even closer is the Cineteca Nacional, a true treasure for the neighborhood. Located at the southwest corner of the master plan, the tower offers an extraordinary opportunity to develop an architecture that meditates between the commercial core and the nearby residential community. Mitikah Tower will be the visual transition between the AV Rio Crubusco, an elevated highway, and the pedestrian boulevard of the retail plaza. Design partner in charge, Bernhard Karpf, comments, Mexico City has always been among the most important cultural and commercial centers in Latin America. The new tower will undoubtedly contribute visual significance to the skyline of the city and to the neighborhood. The design is inspired by a modern interpretation of Aztec forms. The architectural meshing of the new building combines a slender and elegant 34-story tower that rises above a transparent and translucent building base. The building lobby has been carefully positioned to be visible from all approaches to the site, and it anchors the buildings to the exposed retail plaza and to the adjacent commercial space. A 6-story underground garage provides joint parking not only for the building but for the other components of the master plan. The design of the office tower, with its defined formal vocabulary, reflects the distinct orientation of the site while addressing requirements of sustainability, maximum efficiency, and flexibility. The south and east facades of the tower are composed of a continuous high-performance curtain wall modulated by subtle folds and reveals that create a memorable sculpture expression. The north and west elevation are composed by a curtain wall system with modular and orthogonal expressions that reference the proportion of the surrounding context. Sky Garden, with an integrated conference pavilion on the 19th floor and a restaurant and a sky bar on the 34th floor, provide unique destination for the mixed-use development. All facades of the building boast floor-to-ceiling glass walls with unparalleled views of downtown Mexico City, the surrounding mountains, and the Central Valley. The selection of an efficient curtain wall system with clear and fritted low-E glass maximizes the use of natural daylight throughout the office building while reducing the solar energy intake. The interplay of natural light and shadow animates the interior office space, giving its occupants a quality that changes throughout the day. Mitikah Office Tower is expected to be leadership in energy and environmental design certified. Thanks for watching this video till the end.